Hello everyone, welcome to our chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Here we are discussing the previous year NEET questions. Okay, so you will get an idea how the questions will come from this chapter. The first question is, in Andrenium snapdragon, a red flower was crossed with a white flower, and in F1 generation all pink flowers are obtained. When the pink flowers were self, the F2 generation showed white, red and pink flowers. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Okay, so in Andrenium or Snapdragon, we clearly know that's an example for incomplete dominance. And the incomplete dominance ratio is 1:2:1. Okay, so here give some statements. The first statement is, law of aggregation does not apply in this experiment. This experiment does not follow the principle of dominance. Pink color in F1 is due to incomplete dominance. Ratio of F2 is 1/4 red, 2/4 pink and 1/4 white. Okay. So in this four option, the option A is the statement A is not matched for this statement. Okay, because in case of Snapdragon, law of segregation occurs there. Law of segregation occurs there. Law of segregation means the gametes are segregating, okay, independently. But the combination of the forming a new organism will be changing because of the incomplete dominance. Clear? The next question is, select the incorrect statement. Human males have one of their sex chromosome much shorter than other. Male fruit fly is heterogametic. In male grasshoppers, 50% of sperms have no sex chromosome. In domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. So here, incorrect statement. So which one is the incorrect statement? So the first one, human males have one of their sex chromosome much shorter than the other. So we know the fact that Y chromosome is the shortest chromosome. So comparing the X chromosome, the Y chromosome is the shortest chromosome. Okay, so the first option is correct. And male fruit fly is heterogametic, that also correct. In male grasshoppers, 50% of sperms have no sex chromosome. Okay, so grasshoppers are example for the XO type of sex determination. So the fourth statement, in domesticated fowls, sex of progeny depends on the type of sperm rather than egg. So in case of fowls, which type of sex determination occurs in case of fowls? In case of fowls, the type of sex determination is ZW. Okay, on the ZW, female here are heterogametic and male are homogametic. Clear? That's why the incorrect statement is the fourth one, the option D. Next question, what map unit for Sandy Morgan is adopted in the construction of genetic maps? Okay, so the Sandy Morgan, the map unit formed by or developed by Alfred Stratton. Who is Alfred Stratton? The student of T.H. Morgan. Who is T.H. Morgan? T.H. Morgan established linkage in chromosomal inheritance. Okay, so the options are, option A unit of distance between genes on chromosome representing 50% of crossover. A unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 10% of crossover. A unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 100% crossover. Fourth one, a unit of distance between genes on chromosome representing 1% of crossover. So here question is, what map unit is adopted in the construction of genetic map? So a unit of distance between genes on the chromosome representing 1% crossover, that is the map unit. So option D is the correct one. Next question, the frequency of recombination between gene present on the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes was explained by. We told the name of the scientist, that is Alfred Stutman. Okay. Then question number 5. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and is sterile? Okay. First option Down syndrome, second one Turner syndrome, third one Klinefelter syndrome, and the fourth one is Edwards syndrome. Here, the genetic disorder and overall masculine development. So, male character will be there, and gynecomastia means that showing some female characters. Okay, female secondary sexual characters like breast development, and also it is a sterile one. So, here the Klinefelter syndrome, Down and Edwards syndromes occurs in the autosome. Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndromes occurs in X chromosome. Okay, so in the case of Turner syndrome, they are having only one X chromosome. So 45 chromosome. In case of Klinefelter syndrome, they are having 47 chromosome. That means one extra X chromosome. The organism is a male but having one extra X chromosome. So it having both the male character and the female character. Okay, so that type of syndrome is Klinefelter syndrome. Clear? So option C is the correct one. Next question. Which of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Starch synthesis in P, multiple alleles, ABO blood grouping codominance, exotype sex determination grasshopper, Th. Morgan linkage. Okay, so here which one is wrongly matched? Th. Morgan linkage, that we know. Exotype of sex determination grasshopper, we discussed in that second question or third question. Okay, then ABO blood grouping is an example for a codominance and also for the multiple allelism. Then starch synthesis in P. Starch synthesis in P is an example for incomplete dominance. So what will occur? The formation of the starch. Okay, how much amount of starch form, that depends the formation of starch depends the size or shape of the seed. Okay, the next question. Clear it is? The next question is hello everyone. So the question number 10 is the genotype of husband and wife are IA, IB and IA, I0. Here the genotype of husband in heterozygous condition and both the wife and are seen in heterozygous condition. So among the blood types of their children, how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible? Okay, so both the parents are heterozygous condition. So the options are 3 genotype and 4 phenotype, 3 genotype and 3 phenotypes, 4 genotypes and 4 phenotypes, 3 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. Okay, so here A group, AB group and A group, B group and AB group. Okay, so 3 different blood groups are possible. Okay, so that means 3 phenotypes are possible and 4 genotypes. Just cross IA, IB with IA, I0. You will get 3 phenotypes. 3 phenotypes means A blood group, B blood group and AB blood group, and getting 4 genotypes. Okay, so option B is the right one. Next question. A disease caused by an autosomal primary non-disjunction is, okay, Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, sickle cell anemia, Down syndrome. If a disease occurs due to a non-disjunction, that is Down syndrome. Down syndrome occurs by the non-disjunction of the chromosome number 21. Okay, when this non-disjunction occurs at the time of the cell division. Clear? Next question, question number 12. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiments on P? Okay, so the options are the first one trichomes, glandular or non-granular, seed, green or yellow, pod, inflated or constricted, stem, tall or dwarf. We know that Mendel studied 7 pairs of contrasting characters or 7 varieties of character. Mendel didn't check or didn't analyze trichomes. Okay, so trichomes means epidermal growth. So he didn't discuss the glandular and non-glandular feature of the trichomes. So option A is the correct one. Clear? Next question, which one from those given below is the period for Mendel's hybridization experiments? Okay, we know that Mendel spent 7 years for his hybridization experiments. Clear? So the right year is 1856 to 1863. He conducted his hybridization experiments in pea plants. Okay. Next question. The mechanism that causes a gene to move from one linkage group to another is called inversion, duplication, translocation, crossing over. Here the location of the genes get changing. Okay, so that is known as translocation. The mechanism that causes a gene to move from one linkage group to another is translocation. Question number 15. If a colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous for a normal color vision, the probability of their son being colorblind. So here, the colorblind man marries a woman who is homozygous. She is homozygous for color vision. Homozygous for normal color vision. That means she didn't have the disease. Okay. How much the probability, the rate of probability of their son being colorblind? We know the fact that the son will get the disease from her mother. So here mother is normal. So there is 0 chance. Okay. So option A is the correct one. You can follow me. Okay. The next question is question number 16. A cell at telophase stage is observed by a student in a plant brought from the field. He tells his teacher that this cell is not like other cells at telophase stage. There is formation of a cell plate, and thus the cell is containing more number of chromosomes as compared to the other dividing cells. This would result in somoclonal variation, polytony, polyploidy, aneuploidy. What was that? When the chromosomes numbers are increased in the cell division stages, that condition is polyploidy. Polyploidy occurs in plants. So option D is the correct one. Next question. Pick out the correct statements. The statement 1 is hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. Down syndrome is due to aneuploidy. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. Sickle cell anemia is an X-linked recessive gene disorder. Okay. So here first option. What was first option? Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. That's the correct one. Down syndrome is due to aneuploidy. Aneuploidy means there occur increasing number of chromosome trisomy 21. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive disorder. That also correct. Sickle cell anemia is an X-linked recessive disorder. No, sickle cell anemia is an autosomal recessive gene disorder. Okay, so the option 1, 2 and 3 are the correct one. So B is the correct answer. Next question. A tall true breeding garden pea plant is crossed with a dwarf true breeding garden pea plant. When the F1 plants were self, the resulting genotypes were in the ratio. A tall true garden pea. So capital T, capital A. That crosses with the dwarf true breeding. Small t, small t. Okay. When the F1 plants were selfed. Okay. Then what is the genotypic ratio? They are asking genotypic ratio. So what is the genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross? 1:2, 2:1. That means 1 tall homozygous and 2 tall heterozygous and 1 dwarf. So option C is the correct one. Clear? Next question. Match the terms in column 1, their description in column 2 and choose the correct option. The first one is dominance. Okay, what is dominance? Dominance means a character which is expressing. Next is codominance. Codominance means what? In heterozygous organism, both alleles are expressed. That condition is codominance. Pleiotropy. Pleiotropy, we studied that PKU is an example for pleiotropy. Many genes governs a single character. So, what is polygenic? Polygenic. Polygenic is poly means many. Many genes govern a single character, that is polygenic. And what is the difference between the polygeny and pleiotropy? In pleiotropy, a single gene inheritance or influences many characters. Okay, so there is a difference between pleiotropy and polygene. From the term polygene, okay, it is understood that many genes governs a single character. In pleiotropy, a single gene controls many characters. Okay, so here the correct statement or correct options, which is the correct option, question number 19. Option D is the correct one. Option D means dominance. What is dominance? In a heterozygous organism, only one allele expresses itself. That is dominant. If both are expressing alleles express themselves fully, that is codominance. And pleiotropy means the single gene inheritance influence many characters, that is pleiotropy. When many genes govern a character, that is polygenic. Okay, so option D is the right one. Next question, in a test cross involving F1 hybrid flies, more parental type of offsprings were produced than the recombinant type of offsprings. Okay, this indicates the two genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. Both the characters are controlled by more than one gene. Okay, so here the option is clear. From these two options, I am not reading the next one. From this, it is clear that in a test cross involving F1 dihybrid flies, more parental type offsprings were produced than the recombinant type. Okay, so it is clear that the two genes are linked and present on the same chromosome. Okay, so we are discussing question number 21. Which of the following most appropriately describes hemophilia? The options are, it's a chromosomal disorder, dominant gene disorder, recessive gene disorder, X-linked recessive gene disorder. So, hemophilia is an example for X-linked recessive gene disorder. It also is an example for the crisscross inheritance or zigzag inheritance. What is crisscross inheritance? The disease, the mother will be the carrier of the disease. From the mother, the disease will be transmitted to the son. And from the father, the disease will be transmitted to the daughter, and the daughters are just carrier for the disease. So that type of disease are X-linked recessive gene disorders. Clear it is. Question number 22. A gene showing codominance has, the options are, alleles that are recessive to each other, both alleles independently expressed in the heterozygote, one allele dominant on the other, alleles tightly linked on the same chromosome. A gene showing codominance. So what is codominance? Expressed, right? Both alleles independently expressed in the heterozygote. Both allele. If one allele is expressed, that is a dominant condition. So codominance means both alleles independently expressed in the heterozygote condition. That is codominance. Next question, question number 23. In his classic experiments on pea plants, Mendel did not use pod shape, seed color, flower position, pod length. We clearly know that Mendel chose seven contrasting varieties of plant. Okay, pea plant. So he didn't notice pod length. He just noticed the pod is inflated or constricted. He didn't notice the pod length. So option D. Next question. A color-blind man marries a woman with a normal sight who has no history of color blindness in her family. What is the probability of their grandson being colorblind? Okay, so here a color-blind man marries a woman with a normal sight and she has no history of color blindness in her family. Now what is the probability of their grandson being color blind, grandson being color blind, there may be 0.25% is a chance for getting the grandson will be get the disease. Okay. Next question. A pleiotropic gene. We discussed earlier what is pleiotropic gene. Controls multiple traits in an individual. Pleiotropic genes means controls multiple traits in an individual. So option B is the correct one. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Next question, question number 26. So there will be a pedigree of a pedigree. The question is, in the following human pedigree, this type of questions are sure in your CBSE exam and also for the NEET exam. In the following human pedigree, the field symbols represents the affected individuals. Identify the type of given pedigree. Okay, so we are clearly observing this pedigree chart. I gave you some ideas. How can we identify it's autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, like that. So here, in generation 3, the parents have no disease, but their offsprings have the disease. Okay. So if the disease skipping generation, diseases are in skipping generation, and the unaffected parents having affected children. So that type of pedigree is autosomal recessive. Unaffected parents have affected children and having skipping of generation. So that type of pedigree is always autosomal recessive. Sickle cell anemia is an example for autosomal recessive disorder. Okay. Next question. The term linkage was coined by? Who coined the term linkage? T.H. Morgan, Thomas Hunt Morgan coined the term linkage. Okay. Next question. The movement of a gene from one linkage group to another. The same question. This is a repeating question. Translocation. Next question. Alleles are. What are alleles? Different molecular forms of a gene. Heterozygote. Different phenotype. True breeding homozygote. So what are alleles? Alleles are different molecular forms of a gene. Different molecular forms of a genes are known as alleles. Clear? Question number 30. Multiple alleles are present. Multiple alleles are present at the same locus of the chromosome, on non-sister chromatids, on different chromosomes, at different loci on the chromosome. Multiple alleles are present on the same locus of the chromosome. Then question number 31. A man with a blood group A marries a woman with a blood group B. What are the possible blood groups of their offspring? This type of questions we discussed earlier. Okay. So here the man with the blood group A. So it's not describing it, he is an autosomal or means heterozygous or homozygous. So we are taking the man with a blood group in heterozygous condition. So they are having 4 chances. 4 different types of blood groups are forming. A group, B group, AB group and O group. Clear? Next question. How many pairs of contrasting characters in pea plants were studied by Mendel in his experiment? How many pairs of contrasting characters that Mendel studied? 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Okay. Next question. Question number 33. An abnormal human baby with triple XX chromosome was born due to fusion of 2 ova and 1 sperm, fusion of 2 sperm and 1 ovum, formation of abnormal sperm in the father, formation of abnormal ova in the mother. So what is the reason for forming triplex condition? So there is fusion of 2 ova and 1 sperm. 2 ova and 1 sperm. That is the reason by they are having triple X condition. Next question. Fruit color in squash is an example of recessive epistatus, dominant epistatus, complementary genes, inhibitory genes. Fruit color in summer squash plant is an example for dominant epistatus. Okay, dominant epistatus. The fruit color in squash plant is an example for dominant epistasis. Next question. A man whose father was colorblind man marries a woman who had a colorblind mother and a normal father. What percentage of male children of this couple will be colorblind? Man whose father was colorblind marries a woman who had a colorblind mother and a normal father. Okay, then what percentage of male children of this couple will be colorblind? So here the chance is getting the colorblind child is 50% chance for getting the colorblind child. So okay, so we are discussing the next question. A human female with Turner syndrome. A human female with the Turner syndrome. So what is Turner syndrome? XO condition. Okay, so on their given 4 statement, the correct statement is 36. Question number 36. The correct statement is A. Has 45 chromosome with XO condition. Question number 37. Select the incorrect statement with regard to hemophilia. Select the incorrect statement. Okay, so they're given it is a dominant disease. A single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. It is a sex-linked disease. It is a recessive disease. Okay, so hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disease, and also it affects the blood clotting. So the option A is the incorrect one. Clear? Question number 38. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? So amniocentesis means the baby, when the baby inside the womb is covered by a embryonic layer, extra embryonic layer. The extra embryonic layer, that is known as amnion. Okay, and baby lying in this amniotic fluid. So when we are testing this amniotic fluid, we will get all the genetical arrangement of baby. Okay, so Down syndrome is a genetical disease. Klinefelter syndrome is a genetical disease, and sex of the fetus also can be identified by this amniocentesis. But jaundice is not identified by the process of amniocentesis. Clear? Next question. If both parents are carriers for thalassemia, what is the autosomal recessive, which is an autosomal recessive disorder? What are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? Okay, so both the parents are carriers. Okay, then 100% chance, because thalassemia is a recessive disorder. Both the parents are carriers, then maybe a chance for getting a baby with thalassemia. Is the correct one? It will happening? Never. Okay. How can we know the recessive genes will be enter into the baby? How can we know the recessive gene will be enter into the baby? So it is a probability. So 25% chance. Okay, never will be, if both parents are carriers, that's okay. So never will be a chance for 100% chance for getting, in case of autosomal recessive disorder for the disease, they are having a chance for only 25%. Clear it is? Next question. If the two parents AB blood group marry and having sufficiently large number of children, these children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group, B blood group in 1:2:1 ratio. Modern technique of protein electrophoresis reveals the presence of both A and B type of proteins in AB blood group individuals. This is an example for. Okay, so this much of a lengthy type question, but the answer is very simple one. Partial dominance, complete dominance, co-dominance, incomplete dominance. They are asking which type of dominances. So here the type of dominance is co-dominance. Clear this one. Then the next question is, which idea is depicted by a cross in which F1 generation resembles both the parents? F1 resembles both the parents. Which type of generation? F1 generation resembles both the parents. Okay. Inheritance of one gene, co-dominance, incomplete dominance, complete dominance. So here F1 generation resembles both the parents. So the option is B, that is co-dominance. Clear? Next question, question number 42. Which one is the incorrect statement with regard to the importance of pedigree analysis? So what is the use of pedigree analysis? To know the transmitting of any hereditary nature, any hereditary character. Okay, so it confirms the DNA is the carrier of the genetic information. It helps to understand whether the trait in question is dominant or recessive. It confirms that the trait is linked to one of the autosome. It helps to trace the inheritance of a specific trait. So it is clear that it will not be shown. So that this type of inheritance, that pedigree analysis is not used for confirmation of DNA is the genetic material. Okay. Next question. Down syndrome in human is due to the triploid condition of chromosome number 21. So non-disjunction occurs there. So the right choice is from option B. Clear it is. Question number 44. A normal vision man whose father was colorblind. Marries a woman whose father was also colorblind. So the man's mother having a history of this colorblindness. They have their first child as a daughter. What are the chances that this child would be colorblind? So a normal vision man whose father was a colorblind marries a woman whose father was also a colorblind. They have their first child as a daughter. What are the chances that the child would be the colorblind? It is a female daughter, so it's clear that she will get the disease. So 0% chance for getting the disease. Okay, because this type of inheritance are criss-cross inheritance. Question number 45. F2 generation Mendelian cross showed that both genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same as 1:2:1, represent a case of codominance, dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross with complete dominance, monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance. So what is the answer? Monohybrid cross with which type of inheritance? Monohybrid cross with incomplete dominance type of inheritance. Represented below is the inheritance pattern of a certain type of trait in humans. Which one of the following condition could be an example pattern of? So here from the mother the disease goes to son, and from the father the disease goes to daughter. So which type of disease is this? This is an X-linked recessive disease. So the options are phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, hemophilia and thalassemia. So the right option here is what is the right option? 46. The right option is hemophilia, because hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disease. Clear? Next question. A testicross is carried out of what is the purpose of testicross? Determine the genotype of a plant at F2. Next question 48. When two unrelated individuals or lines are closer, the performance of F1 hybrid is often superior to both its parents. This phenomenon is called, so the performance of the children is more than their parents. The condition is heterosis. The condition is known as heterosis. So here I am ending this question. MCQ questions episode. We discussed 48 questions. We will continue this MCQ questions on our next class. So thank you. So we are discussing the next question. A human female with Turner syndrome. So what is Turner syndrome? XO condition. Okay, so they are given 4 statements. The correct statement is 36. Question number 36. The correct statement is A. Has 45 chromosome with XO condition. Question number 37. Select the incorrect statement with regard to hemophilia. Select the incorrect statement. Okay, so they are given it is a dominant disease. A single protein involved in the clotting of blood is affected. It is a sex-linked disease. It is a recessive disease. Okay, so hemophilia.